Hi guys, welcome to EverythingKidsTube. Today I have a very exciting package from American Girl. You might be able to tell what it is, but yeah, let's get started. Alright, let's open her up. I am so excited. I feel like I've been waiting forever to open this package. Alright. Okay. Oh my goodness, it's so exciting. Okay. I see the box. Okay guys, so I don't want to show you her quite yet. So I'm going to get that all set up and then I'll see you guys. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay guys, so now that I have her face covered, I'm going to show you what we got. So we got a free issue of American Girl magazine. This is like a basically advertisement for their new Isabel movie. And we also got a magazine, an American Girl catalog magazine from May, because that's when I ordered this doll. She was purchased with my own money, so yeah, just see if you guys are wondering. Okay, so along with the doll, I did get an outfit. If I can dig for it somewhere in here. Let's see. Okay, I see it. Packing peanuts. Okay. Ah, it's coming out. Okay, so here it is. Okay guys, so the outfit I got was Cecile's parlor outfit. Since Marie Grace and Cecile were going into the archives, this outfit was on sale for $14. It's very cute. This is the vest. It's a little bit not quite the quality that I'm used to from American Girl. It's see-through, but it is very cute. I love the style. Whoa. This is adorable. Super, super long skirt, taking up the whole camera. That's so cute. Much better quality. Then we have the cute little blouse, which this is just cute for everything, you know. I love it. Also nice quality. And then the little ribbons for the doll's hair. Cute. Okay. So yeah, I got that just because, you know, Marie Grace, for her, she's not going to have very many outfits because she did go into the archives a little bit earlier than expected. And yeah, I thought, you know, for the price, it was a great deal. Alright, doll time. Okay guys, it's your final chance to make some guesses. Ready?
10, 9, 8, 3, 2, 1.
You can't really see that, but it says Ivy. I got Ivy, guys. I have Julie, so I thought Ivy would be the perfect companion, and a perfect addition to the family. Let's get her open. All right. Okay, so first we have her book, which is Good Luck Ivy. Oh my goodness, here she is. Her hair is, whoa, really crazy. Oh my goodness, I'm going to take a picture of this. Wow. Wow, guys, look. Okay, she is awesome. Her hair is crazy, very crazy. Hopefully I can brush that out and fix it. Yeah, I won't take a picture, that's alright. She definitely needs a brushing. Wow, she's gorgeous. I absolutely love her outfit. So cute. Okay, here she is. Just a little bit more with me holding the camera this time. Oh, I want to get her out. Okay, let's get her out. Okay guys, here she is, Ivy Ling, the newest addition to our family. I'm going to give her hair a little bit of a brush out and take some pictures. So stay tuned. Thank you guys so much for watching, and remember to leave us a like. Thanks, bye. Okay guys, here's Ivy Ling. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for some pictures after I give her hair a little bit of a brush. Yeah, she definitely needs one. Yeah, thank you for watching once again, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye! Okay guys, here's Ivy Ling. She has a beautiful shirt, cute pants, and cute boots. I absolutely love her. Oh yeah, and she also has her ears pierced, but I think only these earrings work. If you know, please comment below. That would be very helpful. I absolutely love her. I gave her hair a little bit of a brush. Maybe you can tell. Stay tuned for some pictures. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!